Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Wawalag Sister, renowned as the Australian Yolngu people, ancestral beings of creation, sisterhood, and harmony. Part 1, Significance of the Wawalag Sisters. What do the Wawalag Sisters represent in mythology? The Wawalag, also known as the Wawalag Sisters of the Yolngu people in Arnhem Land, in Australia, hold significant cultural and spiritual importance. While the Wawalag Sisters are not classified as goddesses in the same sense as deities found in other mythologies, they are considered powerful and sacred figures in Yolngu spirituality. They are central figures in the dreaming stories of the Yolngu people, who believe that the world and all its elements were created by ancestral beings during the dream time. They are believed to have journeyed across the land, leaving their mark and establishing important rituals and laws. The sisters are also associated with fertility and the continuation of life, as they are said to be responsible for the growth of plants and the birth of new generations. Additionally, the Wawalag Sisters are considered custodians of cultural knowledge and traditions. They pass down laws, ceremonies, and sacred rituals to the Yolngu people, ensuring the continuation of their cultural practices and the preservation of their identity. It is important to approach the understanding and interpretation of the Wawalag Sisters with respect for the specific cultural context and perspectives of the Yolngu people. Part 2, Archetypal Qualities of the Wawalag Sisters. Awakening the Sacred Feminine, exploring the archetypal essence of the Wawalag Sisters. The Wawalag Sisters embody archetypal characteristics that hold deep meaning within Yolngu mythology. They represent the creative life force and the power of feminine energy. As archetypal figures, the Wawalag Sisters encompass both nurturing and assertive qualities. They symbolize the balance between strength and compassion, embodying the duality of creation and protection. The sisters are wise custodians of cultural knowledge, passing down ancestral wisdom and traditions to future generations. They inspire resilience, determination, and a connection to the land, serving as a reminder of the importance of maintaining cultural identity and the harmony between humans and the natural world. Through their archetypal presence, the Wawalag Sisters guide individuals towards a deeper understanding of their place within the larger tapestry of life, encouraging a sense of responsibility, respect, and reverence for the interconnectedness of all things. Part 3, Symbols associated with the Wawalag Sisters. Connecting with creative powers, exploring the Rainbow Serpent and Wawalag Sisters. Symbols representing the Wawalag Sisters may include sacred geometric designs, which can be found in artwork and body painting during ceremonial rituals. In terms of plants, the Wawalag Sisters are associated with bush plum trees, which are considered to be their totemic plant. Animals connected to the Wawalag Sisters include the Rainbow Serpent, representing their creative powers, and the long-necked turtle, symbolizing fertility and connection to the water. As for colors, white and red are often associated with the Wawalag Sisters. White represents their purity, spirituality, and ancestral connection, while red signifies their power, strength, and life-giving abilities. These symbols, plants, animals, and colors serve as important elements within Yolngu culture, encapsulating the essence and significance of the Wawalag Sisters' presence in mythology. Part 4, The Story of the Wawalag Sisters. Enduring Legacy. Echoes of the Wawalag Sisters in Yolngu heritage. In the ancient lands of Arnhem Land, where the spirit of the land and the people intertwined, there existed a profound connection to the past. Among the Yolngu people, the Wawalag Sisters stood as the creators of the law, which formed the foundation of their cultural traditions and ceremonies. This law, rich in wisdom and guidance, has been passed down through the generations to this very day. Born from Wawalag country, the sisters held a sacred role in the Yolngu community. They were believed to have brought forth the Jungawan ceremony, a profound ritual that connected the people to their ancestral land. For countless generations, the Yolngu had occupied this land. feeling a sense of belonging that stretched back to the beginning of time. The Yolngu people's understanding of their place within the land, waters, and intricate web of kinship is deeply ingrained in their cultural and spiritual beliefs. It is through this profound connection that they derive a sense of identity, purpose, and belonging, carrying forward the wisdom and traditions of their ancestors through the generations. As the Wawalag Sisters traversed the land, they lived as the Yolngu do today, hunting, gathering food, and setting up camps. Yet, their actions carried a creative force that transformed the land around them. The Wawalag Sisters' stories lived on, shared through oral traditions, dances, and artwork, ensuring that the Yolngu people would forever remain connected to their land and the rich tapestry of their indigenous heritage. Their profound legacy echoed through the ages, a testament to the power of ancestral wisdom and the enduring strength of the Yolngu spirit. Part 5.3. Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Wawalag Sisters archetypes. Strategy 1. Embrace interconnectedness. Inspired by the Australian Aboriginal concept of interconnectedness known as Dreamtime, recognize that everything in the universe is intricately connected, including yourself. Embrace the idea that your thoughts, actions, and intentions have an impact on the collective consciousness and the world around you. Reflect on the ripple effect of your choices and cultivate a sense of responsibility towards creating positive change. Strategy 2. Embrace nonlinear time. Inspired by the Australian Aboriginal understanding of time as cyclical rather than linear, consider incorporating this concept into your personal transformation journey. Recognize that healing and growth may not follow a linear path, but rather occur in cycles and spirals. Allow yourself to release expectations of quick fixes or linear progressions. Embracing this understanding, be open to the idea of nonlinear growth, where healing and transformation can occur in unexpected ways and at unexpected times. Trust in the process, surrender to the natural flow of life, and embrace the cycles of growth, knowing that each phase contributes to your overall transformation. Strategy 3. Cultivate deep listening. Take time to be fully present and attuned to the energies and messages present in your surroundings. Cultivate mindfulness and silence, the constant chatter of the mind, to create space for deep listening. By honing your ability to deeply listen, you tap into the vast wisdom of the universe and gain valuable insights for personal growth and transformation. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual. Steps. Begin by acknowledging and paying respect to the traditional custodians of the land on which the ritual is taking place. This is an important step to honor and recognize the ongoing connection Aboriginal people have with the land. 2. Find a quiet and natural outdoor space where you can conduct the ritual. Place the bowl or dish on the ground and fill it with sand or earth, symbolizing the connection to the land and the ancestral spirits. 3. Stand near the sacred space, facing the direction of the rising sun. Take a few deep breaths to ground yourself and center your energy. 4. Take a eucalyptus branch and dip it into the water, symbolizing the life-giving essence. Allow the water to drip onto the sand or earth, creating small droplets. As each droplet falls, visualize it carrying your intentions, gratitude, and respect for the Wawalag Sisters into the earth, connecting you to their wisdom. 5. Spend some time in quiet reflection and connection with the natural surroundings. Observe the elements of the land, the trees, the plants, and the sounds of nature. Allow yourself to feel a sense of unity and connection with the environment, acknowledging the interdependence between humans and the natural world. 6. Offer a closing prayer, acknowledging the sacredness of the ritual and expressing gratitude for the opportunity to connect with the wisdom of the Wawalag Sisters. Take a moment to ground yourself, feeling your feet firmly connected to the earth and reflecting on the insights and inspiration received during the ritual. A final message. Words of wisdom from the Wawalag Sisters. Sisterhood is a circle of strength where each sister becomes a pillar of support, lifting one another higher than they could ever go alone. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.